So over here you can see that I have these particular chats right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to archive all of them so that I don't have access to them right away, but I don't want to delete them. In that case, you can actually go around onto your profile and then go around onto settings right here. Once you do that, simply go around over here onto chats, and here you can see that archive all chats is an option. So once you click on it, it says, are you sure? So if I were to go ahead and press the checkmark button right here, then you can see that all the chats are cleared out over here on the left hand side, but they are not deleted. We can actually go around over here and then let's say, for example, go around onto archive chats and you have access to all of them, as you can see right here. You can export all of the archive chats right here by clicking on this, or you can unarchive all right here. And then what happens is that all the chats right here will be reallocated right here. So you can see that this is what you have under all chats. Let me just go ahead and refresh this out right here. And you can see that all of the chats right here are now unarchived, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and archive and unarchive all of the chats inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.